Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to make a friendship bracelet with fish decoration, and I will use these yarns. So I will use two blue yarns and a red yarn. The length of the blue yarns is about 70 centimeters, that is about 28 inches. And I will add to that about 15 or 20 centimeters for the red yarn. So generally the red yarns should be a bit longer. And now let's start by making the bracelet loop. So the loop should be should last from here to here. About this distance should be the length of the loop. And I will start making the loop by twisting the yarns precisely on this distance where I want to make the loop. So I will twist those yarns and then I will superpose them, and you will see that the yarns will twist around one another. And now at the basis of the loop I will make a knot, a simple overhand knot, this way, and we can start making the bracelet. Now I have separated the yarns and I will start by making some chevrons. So I will make a forward knot, so I will make the number, I'll create the number 4 with those yarns. I'll put my finger under this yarn and grab the other yarn, take it out through the loop like this, and I make the first forward knot. Then I will make another number 4 and take the yarn out through the loop, and I've made the second forward knot. Again I will make a forward knot on the red yarn, one forward knot, and a second forward knot. And to create the chevron from this other side, I will make one backward knot, that is 4 in the mirror, and the second backward knot. So the 4 in the mirror, I will put my finger under this yarn, take the other yarn out through this loop, and I will tighten this knot. Again I will make 2 backward knots, one backward knot and a second backward knot, and I brought the blue yarns into the middle here. I will make the chevron, the tip of the chevron, by making 2 forward knots. So here in the middle you can make any type of knots. You can make 2 forward knots, 2 backward knots, a forward and a backward knot, or you can make a backward and a forward knot. So I have created the first blue chevron. Now let's continue by making the second blue chevron. So I will make a forward knot, a second forward knot on the red yarn, a forward knot and a second forward knot on the blue yarn. Now I brought this yarn, the blue yarn, from the margin into the middle, and now I will take the other yarn and I will make backward knots. One backward knot, the second backward knot. The second backward knot, like this. Now I have the 2 blue yarns in the middle and I will make one forward knot and the second forward knot. And I created 2 chevrons. And now let's also create a red chevron. So let's see from a bit of a distance. So 1 forward knot, the second forward knot, 1 forward knot, the second forward knot, one backward knot, the second backward knot, and one backward knot, and the second backward knot. And now in the middle I will make 1 forward knot and the second forward knot. And now with these 2 yarns I will make a forward knot and a backward knot. And I have created a blue dot here on the margin. And here on this side I will make 1 backward knot and the second backward knot. And now I will take the red yarn and I will make 1 backward knot, the second backward knot, in order to create an inverted chevron. So I made 2 backward knots, and I will take the next yarn and I will make 1 backward knot and the second backward knot. Like this. So we have created a part of the inverted chevron. So I will make here 1 forward knot, the second forward knot, 1 forward knot, and the second forward knot. And now here in the middle I will make 1 forward knot and another forward knot, like this. So I have created a dot, and now here I will create 1 forward knot, and another forward knot. With these 2 yarns I will create 1 backward knot and another backward knot, and here in the middle I will create 2 forward knots, 1 and the second forward knot, this way. So I have created a little diamond. And now in order to start making the fish, I will take the red yarn and I will create a chevron. So I will make 1 forward knot and the second forward knot. I'll bring the yarn here On the second blue yarn, one forward knot and the second forward knot, with the other red yarn I will make one backward knot, the second backward knot, one backward knot, the second backward knot, this way, and here one forward knot and the second forward knot, and I have created the first fish pattern. And now let's continue by doing the same steps, repeating the same steps as before. So I will make one blue chevron, one forward knot, the second forward knot to create the first blue chevron. Again, one forward knot, the second forward knot, and with the other yarn one backward knot, the second backward knot, one backward knot, the second backward knot, this way. And again I will make another, like here. Here I have two blue chevrons, and here I will make a second blue chevron, and then I will create another fish like this. So let's continue making the second chevron, then the fish, and again two blue chevrons, again the fish, and so on. And once I have obtained the desired length of a bracelet, the bracelet goes around my wrist, then I will stop and I will show you how to create a bracelet tie. So let's continue making the blue chevrons and the red fish decorations. And now that I have finished the bracelet, I will start making the tie. To make the tie, I will take the 3 of the yarns, twist them, I'll take the other yarns, also twist them. As you can see, I'm twisting towards this in the same direction, towards the left. So each separate group of yarns has been twisted in the same direction to the left. And I will twist until I feel that there is tension in the yarn. And now I will take the 2 twisted yarns, so both have been twisted in the same direction to the left. And now, in order to twist them one around the other, I will twist them to the opposite direction, to the right. And you will see how they twist one around the other. And now that I have finished twisting, I will make a knot at the end of the tie. This way, and I will cut the yarns. And our bracelet is ready now. So this is the finished bracelet. In order to close the bracelet, I will open the tie like this, the twisted part. I'll put the tie through this loop here. So I have opened the twisted loop. I put the tie through the loop. As you can see, it's twisted back. And I can close the bracelet like this. So this is the finished bracelet. And this is what a bracelet looks like on the wrist.